Morning student. Our first experiment is bending of light. For this experiment we will take 2 glasses, water and 2 pencil. Okay, now place the pencil in the glasses in this way. Not the pencil look straight. Pencil look straight in the glass. Yes, na? Now pour water in one glass. Now what will you see? What will you observe? The pencil appear broken. The pencil appear broken in this glass. Okay, but this pencil is not broken, it looks straight. Okay, in reality this pencil bend. Okay, this pencil is bent and this is due to the reflection of light. Our second experiment is reverse arrow image. This is very wonderful experiment and you will enjoy this experiment a lot. You just make this amazing experiment at home with just glass of water. You can magically change the direction of arrow or flip the image. All you just need a glass of water. 2 glass, one is empty and one is full of water. These transparent glasses, and then keep the arrow in front of empty glass. You observe that the arrow is same. Okay, the arrow is in this direction. Now place this arrow in front of glass that is filled with water. Now you observe that the direction of arrow will change. This is due to refraction of light. Amazing da beta. This and now this. Third experiment is lemon density experiment. In this experiment, the material required is 2 glass, 1 glass filled with simple normal water, and the second glass is salt solution. Okay, water and we add salt and stir it. Okay, this is the salt solution, this is the normal water. 2 lemon, we required 2 lemon. Now drop 1 lemon into the normal water. Okay, what will you observe? The lemon sink. Now take another lemon and drop this lemon into the salt solution. Now what will you see? What will you observe? It will float. This is because the density of this lemon is less than the density of salt solution. That is why it will float. But the density of this lemon is more than the density of normal water, and that is why it will sink. Okay. Yes, but our fourth experiment is air occupies space. For this experiment, we required a bowl that is filled with water, a glass and some tissue paper. Okay. Now take some tissue paper, crumple it well. Okay. And then keep this tissue paper into the glass. Okay. Now let the glass into the bowl. Put the glass into the bowl. Be careful that the glass do not tilt. After few seconds, take out the glass. Okay. Now take out the paper. The paper is dry because the water could not reach to the glass. Why water could not reach to the glass? Because the glass was filled with air. Okay, and the tissue paper remained dry. This shows that air occupies